Horses and humans have more similarities than differences. That's what one MSU professor says. And she is treating specific disorders such as endocrine disease by looking at the parallels between the two.
Horses are wonderful and beautiful animals to work with. They are very much interconnected with their human partners. And so we very much can work with them, and we do all the time. It's very natural. And they also have a high percentage of endocrine disease occurring naturally.
Experts say 20% of horses and over 34% of humans in the U.S. are affected by endocrine disorders, such as metabolic syndrome. And Jane Manfredi, MSU College of Veterinary Medicine, uses One Health, an idea that animals, humans, and the environment are all interconnected, to prevent, treat, and slow the progression of this disorder.
So what that means is that there's probably a lot of shared reasons why these are happening. And so by some of my research, we're looking at some of the cellular, metabolic, and hormonal reasons behind what's occurring. And those can then potentially transfer over to what's happening in the humans to see if we can benefit them as well.
Because of the similarities between people and horses, treatments for metabolic conditions could provide health benefits to both species. According to experts, drugs such as dulaglutide and semaglutide can be used in treatment, and Manfredi is also looking at nutritional supplements and different exercise training regimens that can help as well.
So again, similar drugs can be used for both species, and a similar management plan which starts out with low-carb diet and underlying that at least a low to moderate level of exercise to help keep their weight under control.
In the future, Manfredi plans to use horse research to understand metabolic diseases during pregnancy to determine if symptoms of insulin and glucose regulation in mothers have an impact on babies.
We know in humans, with mothers that have gestational diabetes, sometimes they have some developmental issues in their bones. Does that happen in horses too? And if so, we could really draw even more parallels between the two species and trying to optimize their health outcomes. And
here for you now in East Lansing, Ray Sherman, 6 News.